Hello kids, today we will draw a cute pelican. So let's start. First draw the pelican bark. Today I will draw very slowly. So just draw with me, okay? First draw the curved line, then draw the big curve, like this. Now draw a long straight line. Well done, now draw the upper part of the bark. Draw the straight line, then make it pointed. Good job, look how cute it's looking. Now draw the head of the pelican. Draw a half circle, like this. Then draw the curve, and make its wings. Draw the tip rounded, and it's done. Now draw some feathers. Draw it like a banana shape. Make 3 feathers, then draw the big curve, like circle. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now draw the front body. Draw the big curve and make the stomach. Well done, now leave a small gap for its leg. Now draw the wavy line and make the tail. Make some small finger-like shape. Good job, it's looking very great. Now let's draw the leg of the pelican. Draw a line, then make a small curve, like this. Then draw another line, and make the foot. Make the curved line, just like flat shape. Just draw like me, and draw 2 lines. Well done, the leg is looking very great. Now draw the other leg also. Do the same thing. Draw the line, and make the curved line. Now draw another line, and make the flat shape. Don't forget to draw the 2 lines. Wait, we forget to draw the pelican eye. Draw a circle, like this. Then draw a black dot. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First color the pelican body. Use sky blue color and color the outline. Color the outline carefully and don't color the pelican wings. Color the tail and don't color the outline. Color step by step and don't make any mistake. You can also use different color as you like and make your own creation. Color the outline of the eye and don't make any mess. Color left and right, left and right, and it's done. forget to like, share, and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. You know what? Pelican live in the sea. And pelican have a big bark to carry the fish. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now let's color the pelican wings. Use gray color and color the outline. Color the feathers carefully and don't color the outline. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Look how cute and beautiful it's looking. Now let's color the pelican bark. Use yellow color and color the upper part. Color the narrow part slowly, like this. Now color the lower part of the bark. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Color left and right, and it will look very cute. Well done, look how cute it's looking. Now use brown color and color the pelican leg. Color the small part and don't color the outline. Good job, now color the other leg also. Look how great it's looking. Lastly, use white color and draw a white circle inside the eye. Now draw some white line on the pelican bark. Draw a curved line and look how cute it's looking. Well done, we complete the drawing. Pelican lives in the ocean and eats lots of fish. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.